Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I know it may not look like it here, being that it's 85 degrees out and sunny, but Christmas is coming, just not here in southern Florida. And so for you, I have bought another decoration for the house. I've got kind of crazy with these, but this is a 6-foot inflatable Santa to put up out front. So I thought, you want to know whether you should buy it or not, so let's unbox it, set it up, see what it looks like, and then I could give you my honest opinion. Oh, if this kind of stuff is helpful for you, down there, really important. Anyway, let's get on with this. Oh, it comes with a bag. That's really nice. Normally I'm like busy finding stuff to store these things. I have an army of these, finding a way to store these things for the rest of the year, but now I can just throw it in the bag. Okay, so obviously enough, comes with 4 tie downs, 1 Santa Claus. I'm gonna try to inflate him here in the driveway so that you can see what he looks like and have some perspective, but not go through the whole thing of staking it down and all that kind of stuff, because I gotta put him away for a couple more months. But anyway, let's fill him up. This is one of these things, I don't think I will ever see him this small and compact ever again now that I've done this. Here we go. Oh, I see lights. I hear a fan. Now this is going to be an easy one for us to test it out size-wise, because I am 6 foot 2 inches tall. So if he is not my height, he's not 6 feet tall. I can tell you just looking at him, he's not the heaviest construction I've seen, but it's a quality unit. Seems fine to me. Definitely does not seem like cheapy, only going to last 1 season kind of thing. Let me just check, because sometimes they come with like a zipper undone and they don't want to all inflate. He looks pretty good. So Santa, how you doing today? All right, I'd say, what are we, 4 feet here? Let's keep going. I will also tell you, as these inflatables go, this Santa has kind of a large butt, so he's a little more stable than most of them. Getting a little nervous on the height test. Let me just check the box. So I read it wrong, 5 feet tall, so he's okay at that height. I think the only reasonable answer has to be he's good. For what he costs, this is awesome. I can definitely recommend this. I'm gonna use him in the front yard. The kids are gonna love that.